Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2,802nd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Thank you for tuning in, OMNIacs. Love you guys, love all your comments. Now, we are looking at a video on Thursday afternoon for trading Thursday night through Friday, September 20th. 2024. Please remember that this is a very risky endeavor, trading anything, stocks, options, crypto, ETFs, anything at all. Very risky endeavor. Please stay away. If you do not put your stops in first, then stay away. Please put those stops in, all right? Traders, what are we looking at? Well, for trading on Friday, September 20th, if you recall, I showed you this E-mini S&P chart. And I showed you this inverted head and shoulders, which means it's an upside down head and shoulders. Instead of the head being up here, the head is down here, making it inverted, which tells us the market will eventually move higher. So I showed you this inverted head and shoulders, and I showed you the exit door, and I calculated the exit door here. Now, the markets were crashing, literally, and I came out with a series of videos over the last 10 days and said, don't panic. I promise to show you charts that will prove the market's going to move higher. And this chart I put in front of you, and I drew this exit door right here. And that's where we were when we started this endeavor, when the markets were starting to crack, and I told you not to worry. And this is what happened since. Is that not insanity? Look at this. It went right out the door. Exactly where I had it drawn. Exactly. Now that is technical analysis firing on all 12 cylinders, like an old Jaguar. Unbelievable. That did happen. My advice to you was this when we started to drop. Once the right shoulder resolves itself, it will exit through that door. That is what happened. Wow. Jets, baby. So anyway, that's what I'm looking at for the E-mini S&P. So a question was posed to me this afternoon, and the question was, Oscar, are we at a double top in the E-mini S&P? We know that when we see a double top, we sell a double top, and just about every time we see one, that is how we react. So the question was, Oscar, is this a double top? First thing I can say about that is Jets, Jets. Hey, listen, I haven't seen them win in my entire life. You got to give me some credit here. I'm a diehard fan. Maybe this year. Hey, you never know. In any event, enough of that crazy make-believe nonsense. But hey, anything's possible. See, the thing about being a Jet fan is if you leave, this could be their year. What do? You've been a diehard Jet fan all the years. They didn't win. You can't walk away. What if they win? We're stuck, Jet fans. I know where you're at, kids. I'm in the same spot. Hey, let's hope they win tonight. Anyway, is this a double top? That is the question. So, before this video is over, I would like answers from you. At the bottom of this video, I want you to leave comments. You're going to answer A to the question, yes, we're getting above the double top. Or B, no, Oscar, it is a double top and we know to sell it. A, yes, we get above. B, no, it's a double top and it will fail at that double top. You will leave your answers below in this comment. Please leave your answers, but not yet. Not yet. Let me show you a little more. So is this a double top? And I said, well, the best thing to do about that is to go to its parent, its father, if you will, and see if its father stopped for the double top. And that's what we did. And I went here and said, well, you know, if I can find the chart I'm looking for. There it is. Is this a double top? So, Dow Jones Industrial Average Daily Bar is the father or the grandfather of the E-mini S&P or the S&P itself, right? There was a double top in the Dow, and I'll tell you what, it paid very little respect to that double top. It blasted right through it. So, is that a double top? Here's my answer to you. I'm not going to trade the S&P tomorrow because there might be a double top there. But I am going to trade Russell and NASDAQ and leave the S&P to resolve itself. So, yes, there is a double top in the S&P, but its father says, no, I've called my son right through it, and he's going to follow me right up. But we don't have to trade the S&P on Friday. We can trade something else. So we'll trade Russell or NASDAQ or something else, let the S&P resolve itself. But the double top did not work in the S&P's daddy, and I don't think it's going to find itself working tomorrow. However, when we see a double top, we sell a double top as an absolute rule, so I'll just avoid the situation and trade something else. Please like and share these videos. If you like what you see, please make sure you do that now. Hit the like button, share them around the internet. Make sure that you do this. Down below is going to be a link. I'm doing a free live webinar on Tuesday for Metastock. I want you to join. We'll look at all the markets. We'll see where we're going, why we're going, and how you can make money moving forward, at least hopefully make money putting your stops in first. That all happens on Tuesday. Make sure you click the link below and join Oscar's Metastock webinar this Tuesday. I present at 4 p.m. Now, we've got an Omniac in town. Omni Camp starts this weekend. Can't wait to see you, my friend. Enjoy yourself over the next day or two until we meet. And I promise you will have a fantastic session with me through the entire weekend and through Monday. All right, traders. So, remember, you are going to leave a question or at least answers to a question for me down below now that you've seen the evidence. Is this a double top? Answer A down below, yes. Answer B down below if you think no. And then we're going to go back to 12 because one more reminder about the free live webinar on Tuesday. Click the link below and sign up. Jets, 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 Jets. I got a Jets game tonight, which is why I do not want to do a live video and get in front of the camera. It'll take me out of the game completely. I also have a Technotainment streaming media. We've got a phone call tonight with, from what I counted, about 17 to 20 of us will be on an investors meeting during my Jet game. So I don't want to take myself out too far. So traders, please enjoy yourselves tonight. I hope the Jets win. Put your stops in tomorrow. Take a look at these charts about that double top. And remember, keep your emotions out of trading. How do we do that? We say this to ourselves over and over again, and by now you should know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, thank you for tuning in. Go Jets, and remember, Omni Camp in the UK. Make sure you continue. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Make sure you continue to fill out your applications, and I will see you there. Thank you so much. Join me at livewithoscar.com.